Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Tag Week. So I thought that I would do a tag that I saw Troye Sivan do. I think it's kind of a tag, I think he sort of turned it into one. It's called, I don't actually know what it's called, I'm going to call it the Emoji Tag. And basically you just choose 5 emojis that you think describe you, and you explain why you think they sort of relate to you. And I just thought it would be a really nice video to do. Also, since we have introduced a new member to our collab channel, we thought Tag Week would be appropriate, so please be nice to her, and yeah, welcome, hello. These are in no particular order, but yeah, the first one is this book emoji. There are quite a few book emojis, so I just went for this one.
Ooh. Got a notification on the quiz.
The reason I chose this is because I absolutely love books, and lately I've been trying to sort of collect them and read more, and I'm really enjoying it. It's sort of one of the things that makes me look forward to going to bed on an evening, because sometimes you're just like, oh, the day's already over, but no, I really look forward to the evenings because I can just sort of, like 6 o'clock-ish, I just lay down in bed, watch the Coney Jolies, that sort of settles me down, and I watch a few more other YouTube videos, and then I can lay down and read my book, and it's just so nice. And yeah, I love books so much. Even just looking at them, there's like a pile of them over there, just makes me really excited. Books are just amazing.
See, it happens again. My eyes just randomly start watering when I film.
So the next one is the cry laughing emoji. I use this emoji like way too much. It's my most used emoji, and I just use it after everything. Like if I'm saying something funny, or if someone else says something funny, I just put it all the time, and that's the reason I picked it. I do cry with laughter sometimes, actually, with me and my friend, even if something's not funny or it's just strange, we just laugh. Without emojis, I don't know where I'd be. Conversations on chat things with no emojis are just awkward, and this is one of the emojis that I use to get rid of the awkwardness. The next one is a music emoji. There are quite a few music emojis, but so I just took any random one. I love music, I love listening to music, I love playing music, I love everything about music. I think it's just great, and it's definitely something that describes me and something that is an important part of my life, so that's why I chose this emoji. So the next one is this one with sort of like all the stars in the sky. The reason I chose this one is because like a couple of days ago I realised that I just really like the stars. That sounds so strange, but like at night when I was younger I used to do it as well. When I go outside, like when it's dark at night time, I just sort of look up at the sky, and you know, you can see all just the tiny little dots of stars, and I just think it looks really pretty, and I'd love to go to one of them places where there's just stars all over the sky, or like the Northern Lights or something, because I just really like the sky, like the stars and the moon and stuff. I just think they're really pretty, so that's why I chose this one. And the final one is a camera emoji, because obviously I film YouTube videos, but also I think I have an obsession with photos. Like I love taking photos, and if I take a good one I'm just really happy, but also I just like having captures of different memories and different things I've done. So often when I go to a place, I will look forward to it even more because I know that I'll be able to take a picture while I'm there, or I'll be able to take a little Snapchat while I'm there, or a little video clip or something, and it just makes me really excited. So that is it for the emoji tag. I really love this tag, so if you would like to do it, I tag you. So yeah, I'd encourage you to do this on your channel, because I think it's a really nice tag, and you can get to know people with their emojis. In fact, I'm going to put my, it's like recently used emojis or something right here, so you can see them, just see how they're different to all my other ones. I'm actually going to look at them now. Most of them are faces, but yeah, I'll just put them here so you can see what they are. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters, and remember to welcome our new channel member, because we're very happy to have her. So hello Kelsey, hi. And yeah, I will see you next week. Bye. bye. I realise that in my videos I'm always really like there's other people just sit down and talk normally like this, and then I'm just like I don't even mean to do it, I just can't help it. So yeah, I notice when I'm editing I'm just like, okay, bye.